on the first semester, we had the IMF come to the institute and talk to us about their different graduate programs. And that was such an amazing experience. So I think my dream would be to work at the IMF. My name is Julia. I am a first-year economics student at the Graduate Institute. The first time I heard about the institute was actually due to a professor in Amsterdam, and she really recommended the program, and she said, if you want to focus in development, this is the place to be at. And that is why I came here, because I'm really passionate about development economics, but also about international economics. So the whole atmosphere at the institute, being so close to international organizations, Geneva, really opened up that possibility to focus more, not just on the theoretical side of economics, but more on the policy approach to economics. In my undergrad, I was doing economic regressions, for example, and doing some output and analyzing some descriptive statistics. But now we are actually understanding the underlying models. So how do the mechanisms work in order to be able to construct those economic models ourselves, build them from the bottom up, instead of just using some recipe book of, oh, okay, I have this data set, let's apply this regression, let's do this. So in that sense, I'm really understanding what is behind what is going on. So I'm really happy about that, and I think it's definitely useful for the future. The economics department is such a close-knit community because we are a very small class, so that allows a lot of direct contact with professors. Office hours are also amazing. I remember coming to my macroeconomics professor, and he instantly knew what my question was about, and he could instantly answer all of my doubts and also highlight different things that we don't really cover or have time to cover in class, like, oh, how would this really work in this field? Or how about we consider this other variable? How would this play about? How does the model change? So those kind of close-knit interactions with both professors and TAs as well, the teaching assistants, have an incredible role as PhD students to really help us understand the material and also extend on several things that we don't have the time to cover in class. I would say the economics class, we're all friends. We're all friends with each other, and that is due to the math bootcamp. At the start, we all became really close. There was no one around in August yet at the institute, so we all hanged out a lot. And I would say we always study together, we always help each other out. And one thing I realized as well, coming to the institute, is that if you work in groups, you will all thrive. You will all get the most out of the program and the classes. And I realized coming to the institute, especially in economics, if we all sit down and work together through problem sets and assignments, we always get so much out of it. And I'm really amazed by also all my colleagues in the economics masters. They're all super smart. They have incredible experience as well. So we all really enrich each other. I'll be doing an internship this summer, thanks to one of the professors here at the institute that put me in touch with someone at the World Trade Organization. And I think with the basis that we have after the first year, we can definitely apply that. And in an institution like the WTO, that is really the dream.